Hello and welcome to Quick Learn University, where you can learn about anything in few precious minutes. Let's begin today's topic. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to share with you some simple yet effective ways to get fit and stay fit. Let's jump right in. First things first, make exercise a priority in your daily routine. Start with at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, like brisk walking, jogging, or cycling. You can gradually increase the duration and intensity as you progress. Next, don't forget to warm up before each workout. Stretching and mobility exercises help prevent injuries and improve your performance. Focus on all major muscle groups and hold each stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Strength training is key to building and maintaining muscle mass. Incorporate resistance exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and dumbbell curls into your routine. Aim for 2 to 3 days of strength training per week, allowing for recovery in between. Flexibility is equally important. Yoga and stretching exercises improve joint mobility, balance, and posture. Dedicate at least 2 days a week to flexibility training. You'll feel more agile and less prone to injuries. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health and fitness. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Proper hydration helps maintain energy levels, aids digestion, and regulates body temperature. Nutrition is the most important part of health and fitness. A balanced diet plays a significant role in achieving your fitness goals. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Minimize processed foods, sugary snacks, and drinks. Remember, portion control is key. Setting realistic goals and tracking your progress is crucial. Write down your fitness objectives and create a workout plan. Keep a record of your workouts, noting the exercises, sets, reps, and weights used. Tracking your progress will help you stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. Lastly, find a form of exercise you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or playing a sport, make it fun. This will increase your chances of sticking to your routine long term. Don't be afraid to try new activities and find a community of like-minded individuals to support you along the way. Remember, getting fit and staying fit is a journey, not a destination. It requires consistency, patience, and dedication. With these tips and a positive mindset, you'll be on your way to a healthier, fitter you. Thanks for joining today, and until next time, stay fit and keep smiling. Please support us by subscribing and following us on all social media platforms so that we can create more contents like these. Thank you for watching Quick Learn University.